Hey everybody, Pete Popovich here with PNP Real Estate. Thanks for joining us once again. Today we are here with Aline Deloach from Hilton Head Mortgage. Aline is here to give us, or you, about 3 things you can do if you've been considering buying property. So Aline, what would be the first thing that you would tell someone who wants to buy a property in this area?
Well, if they don't really know what the scores are, you probably want to go to creditkarma.com, karma with a K, and maybe look at your scores. You get 2 of the 3, it's free, and you can see if there's anything negative there. You can maybe even get some additional information about your credit that you didn't know.
Okay, so if somebody gets on there and it says that, let's say they, for example, don't have enough credit, what should somebody do in that case?
Well, probably open up a couple new credit cards. I mean, you don't want to go out and buy a $500 a month car payment, but maybe a MasterCard, Visa, American Express. I would probably stay away from the department store cards until after the loan's closed. But 30-35%, pay it off monthly, it'll increase your scores pretty quickly.
And if somebody, of course, if they have too much credit, obviously pay that debt down.
Yeah, if you have too much outstanding credit, say 70, 80, 90%, and you've used almost all the availability, then your scores are definitely going to be reflective of it. So maybe pay it down below the 50% mark. That'll change the scores quickly.
What would be the benchmark as far as credit scores? If somebody, it'd be better if they were above a certain number.
Generally depends on the type of loan, but as a rule of thumb, 740 and above will give you the best interest rate. Anything below 740, you're probably going to have some pricing hits, and which is going to be reflected in the interest rate itself.
Okay, so the third thing would be what?
Don't change jobs until you talk to your lender. If you're going from a salary to a salary position, it's perfectly fine. If you're going from a salary to a smaller salary position, and then you're going to have income on top of it, commissioned income on top of it, probably can't use the commission income. Or you're going from a salary position to a fully commissioned income, then you're probably going to be out of the house hunting market for 2 years, because you got to have 2 years of self-employment income, and that's tax returns have to be filed.
Great information. So, number 1, go to creditkarma.com, check your credit scores. Number 2, if you don't have enough credit, establish a major credit card account. If you have too much, pay that debt down. And number 3, try not to change jobs if you're looking for a house. We'd like to thank Ms. Deloach for joining us. Until next time, y'all have a great day.